What's up guys, it's me Packy. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're bowling blindfolded and pray for me. I'll take like 2 warm-ups. I don't think this is gonna be that bad. Sure. What's the goal score? That's the real question. 179, Frankie says. 100 might be the score? Okay, 100 is good. If I could maybe strike once and make like a spare or 2. It's gonna be a toughie. I just don't understand how it can go straight in like that. I thought I hit 17 at the arrows. So apparently I was over the line, which is nothing new to my viewers. Is 100 really the goal score? Oh, I need like a video replay. So as I get up there, I'm not just gonna walk around blindfolded the whole time because that's just not a good idea. I get up there, line myself up, look at where I think I'm about to hit, and then I put my mask on. And I'm 0 for 2 so far. Oh, this is just not. That girl walked up on me, I could see her out of the corner of my eye. I'm kidding, I couldn't. I think we're gonna change that 100 score to 50, and I need to really close my hips down here. Maybe I'll just move right. An over adjustment to say the least. Would that last one have stayed on the lane with plastic, do you think? Oh my God, if I had my other ball that would have hooked. 0 for 4. It's dark out there, my balance is off. Forces me to focus on my feel, and my feel is already in the negative category. Frankie says plastic ball, we're going plastic. This is impossible. It gave me 1. I didn't hit any pins. I'm taking it. If this had Fox bets on it, my odds of shooting 100 would be about 1,000 to 1. There's always a chance though, right here. Strike, I'm striking, you can feel it. Pins! Objective number 1 of the day was to keep it on the lane. It's taken me 7 shots, but on the 7th one, we kept it on the lane. Objective number 2 was to make a spare. Stay tuned. I think I crossed both my steps by accident. I was nervous. Back-to-back shots I kept on the lane though. I'm telling you, the short pattern is not doing me justice. If this was 44 feet instead of 35 feet, I could actually like throw it up the middle and just keep it on the lane. Probably not. Probably not. I don't even know what I'm focusing on, to be honest. Since my scores are already low, like halfway through the game, you guys might as well click that subscribe button down below and help me beat Darren Tang to 100K subscribers. Maybe I'll give a huge giveaway. Who knows? But you won't know until I click that subscribe button down below. Okay. I'm feeling a lot of pressure. There's some pins in the middle of the lane. I feel like I can make this one. I need 4 marks in 5 frames or a double. Oh, my legs are shaking. That was close again. I'm just so scared of that left gutter that I keep trying to put it in the right gutter. Maybe I'll get a backup ball going. It doesn't hook as much. Currently sitting 16 in the 5th. I like my odds of getting to 100. Moving 3 right, keeping it on the lane hopefully. Oh my. This is impossible. I give up. I need the backup ball. We talked about this. Did it bounce out of the gutter? I'm taking it. We got the camera. It bounced out of the gutter. We're keeping it. If I shoot 100 here, it was obviously because it bounced out of the gutter. Just a boost of confidence. It's just a huge boost of confidence when you throw it in the gutter and you still get 1. Ooh. Pins. I'm so eager once I release the ball. I pull the mask down, and the second it's off my hand, I'm like, what's happening? 20 in the 6th. I think this is gonna be more of a battle to get to 50. Definitely more of a battle to get to 50. Do you think I should keep the backup ball?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. What did I say about the backup ball? Yeah? I think it's gonna be a no. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a no to the backup ball. It looked really good for one shot where I got two. We're gonna hook it normal. I need to keep it on the lane, please. That was close. That one was close. Now I'm lined up. Operation spare, I got 3 frames to do it. I told myself the goal was to keep it on the lane, make a spare, and strike. This is at least a spare. This is a filled frame for sure. I almost just fell down just on the approach. Did I post that shot or what?
At least you got a cool t-shirt.
Yeah, I did get a cool t-shirt. I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory, but if you want to strike on sport patterns, if you're left-handed, you should have more than one of these t-shirts, obviously, link up top. And if you guys click the link down below, I'll give you a 15% discount code straight to your email to buy one of these puppies. 15% discount only runs for a week though, sorry. I heard her walking up next to me. Your other senses are heightened, right? That's what they say? I gotta do better on my first ball. We're averaging, 7.5 on my last 2 second shots. Just my average on my first shots of the last 2 frames is 0. A mark to get to 50. If I keep pace, I'll get to 50. I can't even get to 100 with a 4-packer. Let's go! All I do is strike. Don't look up top. Don't look at the scoring monitor. There's definitely still potential that I don't get to 50. There's definitely still potential there for me to hit like 45 at the end of this game. I'm lacing them now. The spare ball, I will say, is a smart move from a smart man. I wanted a spare, a strike, and to keep it on the lane at some point in the video. This is my only chance for a spare, 10th frame. It's come down to this. Everything is riding on this shot. I can make a spare. The devastation. A good game though, to be honest. I had some people in the back tell me 74 was a good score. I'd like to see them try and shoot 74 on 36 feet flat with a blindfold on. All right, so 61 is an amazing score. Don't try this at home. Bowling with a blindfold, way harder than I thought. Probably never gonna do it again, but who knows? This might turn into a weekly challenge. So let me know down below in the comments if you guys wanna see me do this again until I shoot 100. Maybe next time, if we're gonna do that, we'll do it on a house shot. So do I get to leave that strike up there in the first frame, or?